Hey everyone, in today's video we'll learn how to promote your YouTube videos on X or previously known as Twitter. So this is my other channel which is based on travel, IamSaave, and I do travel podcasts, travel vlogs and travel shorts on this channel, right? So how do we promote these videos on X, right? First of all, you make an X profile with the same branding, right? The logo, the cover photo, and then what you have to do is you have to upload teaser videos on this, or maybe the same YouTube shorts what you upload on YouTube. But you don't have to directly share the link of YouTube short, right? What happens is if you upload a link of YouTube video, it will not be pushed by the X algorithm as much as the videos directly uploaded on X. So you upload the video teaser or your YouTube short, and as a linked post or comment you can link the YouTube video. So what I've done over here is I uploaded a Egyptian pyramid shot over here, and then in the comment linked my complete vlog to the Giza pyramids, and also dropped my affiliate link uh, in the comment section of that Twitter post, right? So you can do likewise. You can upload a shot, the same shot directly on x.com, put the main YouTube video in the link post, and also the affiliate links in the link post, right? And this way you can build. Now this will help you promote your X profile as well, and guide the viewers to your main YouTube video as well, right? And this helps in building the uh, viewer base for your YouTube channel. So they get redirected from your X profile to your YouTube profile, and you get subscribers also. And this way you can promote your videos, and this will help you build your brand on both X as well as YouTube parallelly. I hope this is clear. If you have any queries pertaining to this, do drop in comments your queries, and we'll get back to you with the answers. If you are liking this video, do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Also, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on X also if you are present on X.